customer here in Greensboro, North Carolina needed more space for a large packing order that they have to put together. So we installed some 8-foot high by 42-inch deep pallet rack with 8-foot beams and wire decking. And over in this area with a little more space, we went with 10-foot high. Supplied the 8-step ladder, puts you at 80-inch top of step, and that top shelf level is set at 9 foot, so that's a perfect height for picking off the second and third shelf. We also moved some of their other racking that they had to make room for this pallet rack. Now they're ready to receive their order.